Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this quick haul video. So I got a couple things from Simon Says Stamp and I wanted to show you today here. Didn't get a lot of things, but just a couple things, and I'll just go through it with you. So still falling in love with all these Oxide inks, so I got another color. This is the Lucky Clover. Really like this color. There wasn't a really great green or a bright green in a lot of the other colors that I had, so I grabbed this one. And I also grabbed this one, this Abandoned Coral. This is another one that's a little bit more of a brighter color. Some of the first Oxide inks weren't extremely bright, and then the next batch that he brought in were a lot brighter, so really like this color here. I also grabbed some of these. Now this is from Basic Gray, and these are these magnetic discs, and as you can see you get 12 magnets in this package, and what these are great for is if you make little things with closures like albums, and I was kind of just looking for something like this for closures on my little purse albums. So I got a package of these. I've never used these before, but I really want to try, and I hope that they are strong enough because some magnets aren't strong enough, so we'll see how that goes. And then I also got in this little bag here, I got a couple bottles here, and I just grabbed another bottle of the multi-matte medium. Again, this is one of my favorite glues, really love that. And for some reason, a lot of the local scrapbooking stores here don't sell this glue. So I really need to bring this in from Simon Says Stamp or places definitely outside my city. So I grabbed a bottle of that. And I also grabbed a bottle of this. Now this is the liquid pearls from Ranger, and this is the gold. And I really wondered how gold it would look and how it would come out. I have a couple of the other bottles, and I thought I want to try this gold. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration here of using this, and we'll see how it looks. So when using this, you like to lift up so that you can create the little drops here. So I'm just going to make 3 quick ones here. And then a little trick is to get it to kind of round. You can flip your paper a little bit and just tap it with your fingernail, and that will kind of pull that pearl liquid down. And as we can see, they're in nice shapes now. So really like that idea. It isn't as shiny gold as some of the bling, but I think this will be a good replacement for the bling until I can find some actual real gold bling. So I grabbed that, and a quick little look at some things I got from my local scrapbooking store is I went in there wanting some vintage paper. Now this is definitely not the time of year to find vintage paper because the stores are full of Christmas paper and whatnot, but I got a couple sheets of each of this, and I'll just show you this pattern. They didn't have a lot of the collection left, but I did grab this one. Again, this is Kaiser Craft, and this is their Factory 42 collection. Really like this paper here with the gears on it. And then this side on the back, really like that. And again, it coordinates very well with the colors. And I also grabbed this one. This is the same collection, and really like this kind of rustic look. And the back is a plainer piece for the most part, other than these wonderful gears and kind of mechanics there on the side. So I grabbed that from my local scrapbooking store. And the other thing that I grabbed was from my Michaels. They had some of this gold ribbon on sale, and usually $6 each. I picked these up for $1.50. Really like gold, and gold is one of those colors that are a little bit harder to find through the rest of the year, and I like to use this for my vintage projects. So I grabbed a couple of those. So I hope you enjoyed kind of a dual haul here with Simon Says Stamp and a couple local stores. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.